freaking cold. Oh my god. I'm telling you. Look at this. Okay. It's either February 30th or March 1st. So, yeah, I'm 16. I don't even know the difference. Anyways, we just had a snowstorm in Camden, Maine. Look at it. Look at this, okay? Freaking A. There's a red light, okay. There is no need for this. Look at our car. Look at that. That's a van. You can't even see the tires, okay? Right there are huge boulders. You can't tell. You'd go, that's a hill, that's grass. No, they're boulders and they are covered. There's a street. You can't see it. No one's allowed out of here. There's some more trees. Some snow's falling and stuff. There's the woods. Just a sec. There's the woods. Yeah. It's cold. Why do we have to live in Maine? Because our family's here, and because I dropped out of school. I don't care. Jesse, just be glad that you're still in California. Stay warm, okay? And that goes for everyone. Stay warm wherever you are. Because, oh look, there's a car. There's a snowplow, actually. So yeah, kind of missed it, but oh well. I can do daft hands. Oh, do you guys like my new piercing? Oh, what? Okay, anyways, look at it up here. Look at that. That's ridiculous. Ridiculous. Whoa. Hey, look, the trees are dancing. Wait. Don't ask. I don't know.